What's up guys? Welcome to Tell Me Fix. In this video, I will teach you how to fix this problem. No bootable device on your laptop or PC. But before we begin, please don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to keep you updated with my latest video. So first thing you will do if this appears to your laptop is to turn off your device, then turn it off, and then turn it on again. After that, press the F2 button, and then after pressing the F2 button, this will appear the setup utility. You can choose by using the up and down, left or right button. Choose main and then go to F2 boot menu. After that, click enter to choose enabled, then hit enter. After that, go to boot and then the boot mode, change UEFI to legacy. Then this will appear. Just click enter or OK, then click OK or hit the enter button, and then go to exit. Choose exit, saving changes. Then choose yes, and then let's just wait. While watching, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. Thank you in advance. Let's see if it's all fixed, and there you go. It's so simple. Okay, I hope I solved your problem. So please don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to support my channel. Thank you.